I can count my, hey, out of my hands, street weighing like friends. I'm a, hey.
Hi, what's good people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be covering how I did the VFX for this crazy music video. So we're going to go through a few things. First being all the people involved and where to find them. Second, I'm going to break down like 3 of my favorite effects from the video. Thirdly, I'm going to reveal all the tools that I use with no gatekeeping to make this video possible, at least the first version, in 24 hours. You may or may not have noticed, but we got some new posters on the wall over here. Shout out my boy Trelly for making me some custom ones. They look insane. But no more talk. Let's get straight into the breakdown. Tutorial breakdown. Let's go. Honestly, I couldn't even put it into words, so I just called it the crazy intro. So we've got 3 main techniques involved here. We've got the 3D composited lean bottles you can see right here, and then you have the multi-layer zoom transition, which I think really makes it sick. And then of course you've got the artist name J Grands as 3D tracked title text. What on earth did I call it that for? 3D tracked text, man, you know what I mean. So for the 3D text, it was pretty simple what I did. I just tracked the camera, added in the text in one of my favorite fonts, drop shadow, deep glow, sorted. And then as for the 3D lean bottles, I've already made a full tutorial on this if you guys do want to go check it out. It'll be linked right above here in the top right corner of the video, so go check that out if you want to find out more. So guys, for that multi-layer zoom transition, I did use the ZoomWorks Masterclass bundle from undercam.com. So inside the bundle, you got a script to make these zoom transitions in literally a few clicks. And also along with that, you have a full course if you've never ever done any of this before. So you can literally learn from scratch to get the exact same effect as me. And a bunch of other cool stuff as well, so you can find that over at undercam.com. But moving on to the next effect now, we're going to be talking about the Eurus match cut. Easily another one of my favorite effects inside the video. So there's 3 main aspects to it. 1 being the camera animation, 2 being that match cut effect of the Eurus itself, and then the 3rd one being a simple flash transition out of it. So the camera animation, pretty simple if you ask me. All I did was make a new camera, make the layer 3D of that red Eurus footage, then from there I keyframe point of interest, position, and then orientation. Went a bit forward and then tried to line it up with that match cut as soon as possible, added in a little shake on top of it, and boom, you're done. Now you're probably wondering, how did I get that insane Eurus match cut? Well, it's actually pretty simple and I did it in 1 click. Yo, quickly, I just wanted to mention, if you do like the style of effects we're covering today, hear me out, I think you're gonna like this. I recently dropped the Dynamic Duo bundle. It's got more than 50 different match cuts and transitions. It works on any software and it will really take your music videos to the next level. I use it myself all the time. It only takes me 1 click to get these crazy effects, and I even use it in today's video. The bundle's on sale right now and you can grab it for nearly $50 off. However, update 2 is going to be coming out real soon, so the price will be going up. But if you do want to go check it out while it's still cheap, head over to the top link in the description and you can find out more there. And then for the flash transition, it's not rocket science, honestly. All I did was I added in a brightness and contrast and a directional blur. If you don't want to flash, you can also do like a shake transition. Whatever floats your boat in, it's up to you. So the 3rd effect, onto the 3D floating objects, is a pretty cool effect and I used it throughout the entire video as a main theme. It's a mix between a GLB file I found of a lean bottle and then also some cool compositing tricks not a lot of people are trying to teach at the moment. It's a very gate-kept thing, but don't worry guys, I've got you. I already made a full tutorial showing you exactly how I did this effect, along with like the links to where you can find the 3D bottle and all the compositing tricks, all that good stuff. It's pretty cool if you ask me, and it's definitely a unique thing for you guys to learn, especially if you don't have Element 3D. If you do want to go check it out, click the top right corner of this video right now. I should have linked it right there for you guys to click on. Cool, so now we're going to talk about all the tools I utilized to make sure I could deliver V1 within the space of a day. So as you can see with this multi-layer zoom transition, I ended up using the ZoomWorks Masterclass bundle. If I wasn't using it, it probably would have taken me about half an hour for this one effect. But with the bundle, I actually made it in the space of like 5 minutes. Honestly. And then for the Eurus match cut, I used the match cuts pack. Pretty self-explanatory, I know. So getting into the actual people involved in it, here are the Instagrams of everyone involved. So obviously it was directed by my guy Jai over at Hubble Vision Inc. Here is his Instagram if you want to go check it out. Then you had the FPV pilot. He went crazy. Shout out to Neo Flows over here. Here is his Instagram. So I did the VFX for the project, and here is my Instagram if you guys want to go check it out. I've got tons of different tips for editors on there, and it will definitely be useful for you to go check it out. But over to the artists, it was a collab between J Grands Kas. Here are their Instagrams if you want to go check them out. These are really popping at the moment in the UK scene, so definitely go check them out. They're cold. But yeah, those are all the people I know who are involved, and now onto the actual part you guys have been waiting for, the VFX tutorials themselves. So we're going to start with effect number 1 over here. You can see it's just a crazy mix-up of loads of different effects, so let's move on to that now. We've come to the end of another breakdown. Hope you lot enjoyed it. More importantly, I hope you learned something. Make sure to smash that like button, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next breakdown. Love.